Mindfulness of sounds and thoughts. Sit comfortably. Keep your back upright, dignified, and sit in a comfortable position. If you are sitting in a seat, place your feet flat on the floor with your legs uncrossed and gently close your eyes. You may also like to sit on the floor with your legs crossed, perhaps with a cushion under your buttocks, so that your back can remain straight and your head upright. Imagine you are a puppet with a string connected to the top of your head and someone holding your head straight up. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice how you're feeling. What are your legs touching? Is your back pressing against the back of the seat? Can you feel the fabric of your clothing? Notice your breath. At first, notice the sensation of the breath in your nostrils. Then shift your awareness. Do you notice the breath in your throat? How about your chest? And then notice the breath in your belly. Once you have connected with the breath, notice your whole body, how the breath is impacting on your whole body. Now focus your awareness to what you are hearing. Bring your attention to your ears. Allow your awareness to open, expand. Is there a readiness to hear the sounds? Don't go searching for sounds or listening for anything in particular. Just keep your mind and your ears open and listen to the sounds as they come to you. Notice sounds that are close. Can you hear sounds that are far away? Can you tell where the sounds are coming from? In front of you, behind you, from above you? Be aware of all the sounds. Are some sounds more obvious than others? Do some sounds grab your attention more than others? And notice the silence between the sounds. As best you can, be aware of sounds simply as sensations. When you find that you are thinking about sounds, reconnect as best you can with direct awareness of their sensory qualities. Can you notice the patterns of pitch, timbre, loudness, and duration, rather than their meanings or implications? When you are ready, letting go of your awareness of sounds and refocusing your attention so that the object of your awareness are now thoughts, events in the mind. Just as with sounds, you focused awareness on whatever sounds arose, noticing them arise, develop, and pass away. So now, best you can, bringing your awareness to thoughts that arise in the mind in just the same way, noticing when thoughts arise, focusing on them as they pass through the space of the mind and eventually disappear. You can think of them as clouds in the sky, floating by. There is no need to try to make thoughts come or go. Just let them arise naturally, in the same way that you related to sounds arising and passing away. From time to time, your mind will wander. That is okay. Practice gently bringing your mind back to noticing your thoughts, just being aware of whatever comes up, not judging your thoughts or trying to change them. Some people find it helpful to bring awareness to thoughts in the mind in the same way that they might if the thoughts were projected on the screen in a cinema. So just sitting, watching the screen, waiting for a thought or image to arise. When it does, just paying attention to it so long as it is there on the screen, then letting it go as it passes away. Now slowly bringing your attention back to your body, noticing how your body is feeling. And then bringing yourself back into the room by allowing your eyes to open.